Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have MATIC Network Polygon daily update and we will do something different. We are going to see a mid-long-term price prediction, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Join our monthly subscription to get automated signal buying opportunities and many other benefits, including videos and personal guidance, and you will see a difference in your portfolio. 50 people is the limit, guys, so eventually just join. You can cancel anytime you like. Link is in the description down below. Also, the link for the Telegram group chat is in the description down below as well. Join the family, guys, and of course don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content, of course. Let's go now to the first. We are going to see some short-term resistance levels, right? Starting the Fibonacci retracement from this top to this bottom. I wanted to identify major resistance levels. We went up to 1.22, then had a correction, then almost a double bottom. You can see here we didn't close below this support line, and now we want to see if we can eventually go all the way upwards. Bitcoin found a little bit of the resistance at the 35,000 Tether USD. We shouldn't worry for now, but we want to make the 35,000 Tether USD as support level. I've made a video about Bitcoin. Check it out, guys, today. So right now what we want to see is if we can break the 1.20 to 1.30 to 1.41, around there is our next price target for the short term. In case we make the 1.22 as a support level, I'm giving you the exact price targets, right? And you can see that something very good. We went above this resistance line, the previous resistance line of the MACD. What we want to see is higher lows and higher highs, right? We want to see higher lows and higher highs eventually, because in the 4-hour frame, that's what we care about. We don't care about bearish crosses or bullish crosses. This happens all the time, guys, because of the commodity channel index being in an overbought situation, or the stochastic RSI, some risk metrics, guys, that are more sensitive to the price action. And therefore, that's why we are having short-term corrections, right? It is very healthy. It happens all the time. In the cryptocurrency market, there is a high volatility, so we see further corrections and of course further more accumulations, like 20% upwards in just one day or 20% downwards in just one day, right? So, and even more, guys, we have seen crazy things happening. So let's go to the 4-hour frame. On the stochastic RSI, you can see we were in an overbought situation. We weren't close to 100, which is the top on the stochastic RSI, guys. 100 is the top. When we are approaching the 100, we usually find a selling opportunity, right? Now we went up to 93. You can see now we're about to have bearish cross right here. And of course, as you can see, along with the stochastic RSI, we had the overbought situation in the commodity channel index, right? You can see we approached a little bit above the 100. Should we be worried about that? No, we shouldn't be worried about that, guys, because the RSI is looking good. We just made a higher high, sorry, than the previous high right here, and we want to see if we can eventually go into an overbought situation in the 4-hour frame for MATIC Tether USD, right? However, we want to see that. As you know, I removed the SSL channel from my videos. I didn't like that indicator personally. Maybe you find it useful, but in my opinion, it didn't have a clear, guys, help. All right, I didn't get any help from this the indicator, because on the 4-hour frame it didn't work. In the daily frame it was okay, but I preferred the stochastic RSI to see all these three indicators combined, and of course to get some further experience. Let's go now to the daily. On the daily, guys, we have for the SSL hybrid, if I close the Bollinger bands right here, you can see on the SSL hybrid we have a buying opportunity right here, a blue arrow, right? So it is good, it's looking good, guys. And of course, most of the times it is okay, it is a nice indicator, it can give us some good buying opportunities. However, we should be always careful, right? Because we had a buying opportunity here and we could be in a loss if we had sell here as well. So you can be careful, you want to be careful in the shorting opportunities that this indicator is giving, right? Let's go to the Bollinger bands, and we can see on the Bollinger bands, when we approach the bottom line, we usually have a buying opportunity. However, guys, in a very bearish market, in an extremely bearish market, it doesn't work like this, as well as in an impulsive wave. The opposite happens when we approach the top line. You can see we are finding a very high risk in the daily frame. However, when we are having an impulsive wave, this doesn't happen, right? So let's see now the daily RSI. We can correct more due to the daily RSI. The commodity channel index now is above the minus 100, but we want to see if we can eventually go all the way upwards or if we will just go down on the mid term, right? We don't want a pattern like this where we will be seeing a low high around there and then correct again. But according to the commodity channel index, guys, on the daily frame, we can grow even more. Let's go to the MACD. The MACD, guys, here doesn't look good, although the blue line is getting more horizontal. What we would love to see is a bullish cross and the further distance between the signal line and the blue line, right? We need to see this in order to be sure that we are minimizing the risk and therefore we are going upwards, right, on the daily frame. And I will tell you something very crazy afterwards, but let's go first to the MATIC Bitcoin chart. You can show the MATIC on the MATIC on Bitcoin chart, guys. I didn't like that we went having a lower low than the previous one right here and we lost this support level. I didn't personally like that, although I believe we might go even further down for MATIC Bitcoin chart. This won't be good. We need to start outperforming Bitcoin, but we have some bearish momentum right here and we can't seem to go above the 20-day MA easily, right? Let's see a little bit the commodity channel index. You can see we don't have any oversold or any overbought situation. Same here for the RSI, and the MACD looks a bit indecisive. You can see that the blue line is going a little bit up on the signal line. They are both going horizontal. They have horizontal angle, and therefore we don't know yet if we will go above higher. All right, if we have a bullish cross here and the blue line will go above the signal line or down, right? Let's go now to MATIC Bitcoin chart. On the daily, you can see that we lost a little bit of a support right here. We don't want to see the 20-day MA crossing the 50-day MA, guys. This will be catastrophic a little bit, but of course we want to see now a very huge outperformance for MATIC against Bitcoin, right? We need to see MATIC outperforming Bitcoin for sure. We are in a position that we can see MATIC going a bit higher against Bitcoin on the commodity channel index. According to the RSI, we can correct more. We don't have any oversold situation, and the MACD here doesn't look so good on the daily frame. You can see that we have the blue line beyond the signal line, but we need to see a bullish cross like before, guys, like on MATIC USDT chart anyway. So let's go now to one price prediction, guys, using the Fibonacci extension tool. Of course, you are finding a bottom. You need 3 points, right? 2 bottoms and 1 top. And what I used before is this bottom right here on 23rd May, this swing high and then this swing low for at 94.93 cents. And you can see the one, guys, the one is our previous high, right? So therefore it seems to work. It seems to work pretty okay for now. Our 0.618, you can see what it is, the 1.97. And what is the next price target? It is the 3.68, guys, the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Can we identify, guys, another high right here? Can we identify maybe something between the 1.618? Yes, if I use my Fibonacci retracement, guys, now starting from this top ending up to this bottom, actually no, the opposite, starting from the bottom right ending up to this top right here, we can identify some important resistance levels in between the 3.16, and of course, guys, you can see the minus 0.5 is upon the 3.68 Tether USD, 3.7 around there. Of course, 4 is the minus 0.618 around there for Tether USD. So yes, our long-term, guys, price prediction is a 3.68, 3.70 around there for MATIC. A very here sign, guys, is the 20-day MA crossing the 50-day MA. That's what I didn't like in MATIC Network in the daily frame. However, we want to wait and see. This was a mid-long-term price prediction. I am not saying that we will reach there fast. I'm just saying for the mid-long term, it looks like a very cool buying opportunity, right? Because right now we are a little bit at 1 Tether USD around there, guys. So for the mid long term, it looks like a very nice buying opportunity. We are at 1 point, let's see now 1.10 around there. Let's see Bitcoin what it is doing. We found huge resistance here, guys. We expected to see a resistance here at 35,000 Tether USD because it is a very strong resistance level. And what we want actually to do right now is to hold the 35,000 Tether USD as a support level right here. Okay, so now we are seeing this very bearish 4-hour frame candle. Does it look like we are going all the way down? We might not, guys, but we might do. Of course, I told you in the videos that we need to make the 35,000 Tether USD as a support level in order to go to 36,500 or 38,700. And although this is a very bearish sign, guys, and we might have bearish engulfing candles right here, you can see the green is smaller than the next one, the big one. Maybe we are going to see a little bit of a buying pressure here before we go to 33,600, or we will see about that. Right now we are correcting, guys. It is absolutely healthy because we had an overbought situation right here, guys, on the commodity channel index, right? You can see on the 4-hour frame we were in an overbought situation. Same here with the stochastic RSI 96, and we are having a bearish cross right now. So guys, eventually we found a very huge resistance level. The point is here, how fast can MATIC go to 3.6 around there, guys? You saw 3.68, 3.7 around this price target. How quickly can we go above there? I don't know how quickly, guys, because if this is a week of accumulation, then it is okay, but I don't believe that we are going to approach the previous high for Bitcoin anytime soon, right? This is my personal belief, and I think we might retest the 26,500 or the 26,000 Tether USD around there. So therefore, guys, it is a bit risky for MATIC, although from now I believe this is a great buying opportunity for MATIC Network Polygon, guys, for the long term. Of course, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also join our monthly subscription to get easy profits. Also join our Telegram group chat. Links are in the description down below. Thank you, have a fantastic day. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.